and my passion to help other people every day, especially those active. Star Scouts, hands down.
Up next is our Star Scout Love, to be led by Rachel Pellegrino.
Star Scout, hands. Let us all recite the Star Scout law. The Star Scout law. The Star Scout is truthful. The Star Scout is obedient. Hands down.
Now, up next is our
Hands up. Hands. Let us recite the Cub Scout promise. I promise to do my Cub Scout. Let us all recite the Cub Scout law. Hands salute. The Cub Scout law. The Cub Scout follows his elders. The Cub Scout helps his loved one. The Cub Scout makes himself useful. Hands down.
thank you so much to our viewers. Sellers, harap sa likod. Harap. Give me 20 steps. Go. 1.